So I bet you might be wondering, where is Jen? What's happening in the background? I have some amazing news for you today. So this is an announcement that has been so anticipated. This is finally, after 2 years in the making, the grand opening of the Shabby Fabrics showroom. For so many years, people have said, I want to come in and see all the beautiful quilts with my own eyes. This time has finally arrived where that is going to be possible. So this is a special invitation for you. On November 14th, that's a Friday, and November 15th, this will be the grand opening of something that is going to amaze you. Where I'm standing right now, and I'm just in one portion of this amazing space. This is the Christmas portion of the Shabby Fabrics showroom, with over 800 different projects and products displayed around from one end to the other. This is like something I've never seen before. Our team has been working on this for years, and specifically one key member, Kelly Fisher, who is so gifted with how to take already beautiful quilts, vintage furniture that we have found and hunted down from various vintage antique shows, and to present them in something that is truly, there's nothing like this on earth. And we want you to be here for that weekend. In order to prepare for that event, we would love to have you RSVP, just like you do with your own parties. You want to know how many people are coming so you can have enough food and drink, and yes, gifts. We have a gift plan for absolutely everyone that comes. You get to bless us by coming in, and we get to bless you by showing you what we've been working on for over 2 years. So we would love to have you RSVP for those 2 days. Our hours will be 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. After our grand opening, our normal hours will be Tuesday through Friday from 10 to 5 p.m. and again on Saturday from 11 to 4. It might be raining, it might be snowing. All I know is it will be worth your time. There is so much to see here, and I cannot wait. I don't want to spill all the secrets. I want you to come in. We're going to show you a few bits and pieces, but I want you to come in and just be able to look around and be as just inspired as I am. Every time I'm in this space, I think I see something new. So I cannot wait to see you on November 14th or 15th. Pick your favorite date, but don't miss this much anticipated event. Thank you so much, and I look forward to meeting you, hugging you, and sharing with you this magical place, the Shabby Fabrics Showroom.